Okay, so we're here with Group 1 at school, and we're in biology class, and we're studying cell membranes and the difference between diffusion and osmosis. So currently we've set up a what sort of system? So what have we set up?
A system to test osmosis.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
So the purpose is to observe and compare examples of diffusion and osmosis.
Okay. Cell membranes are known to be selectively permeable. That is, that they will let certain small molecules such as water pass through them while excluding larger molecules. The movement of water molecules across a selectively permeable membrane is known as osmosis. The movement of water from the soil into the root hair cells of plants is one example of osmosis. Yep.
Great.
In the activity today, brown iodine potassium iodine solution is used to show where water moves into a model of a cell on contact with starch. A blue back colour appears.
So tell me, so what's in the gas jar that we're looking at right now?
Water and potassium iodine.
Great. And so what is that? What is that chemical? What does it do? What are we trying to indicate?
Trying to indicate that it's going to enter through the semi-permeable bag, the iodine will, and when it comes in contact with the starch, it'll change colour.
Good, so it'll change that blue-black. And what would be the concern if, because currently the starch and water is at that line there, it's actually the top line, that we all made a mistake. And what would happen if that line went up? What would that indicate?
It would indicate that water is going through the bag, the semi-permeable membrane, and not just the iodine.
Yeah, and so would that be bad or?
Yes, that would be bad because it's only supposed to selectively let things in.
Good, great, okay, cool. All right, so let's have a look in a sec of what happened. And but before we do that, coming over here, what have you done over here? What have you ruined?
Yeah. So we have half-filled a 600ml beaker with water, and we've left it to be undisturbed. And then using a straw, we carefully put it into the beaker, and then put the crystal
Potassium permanganate.
potassium in there, and then it changed colour.
Cool.
Yeah.
And so what are we trying to show here?
Diffusion.
Excellent.
Yep.
And so what do you understand diffusion as?
The solute is the substance being dissolved, and the solvent is the substance in which the solute dissolves.
So just here, I think.
The spreading of molecules of any substance from regions of high concentration to regions of low concentration is known as diffusion.
Excellent. Okay, cool. So we'll have a look in about 10 more minutes whether this starch inside that bag has turned blue-black. Thanks for that.